Hi everyone! Today we are going to be looking at how we change liquids, specifically water, into solids and gases. So we know that water is already a liquid, you can see it moving, and we're going to see how we can change it into this solid, which is ice, and into the gas, the steam that is coming off the top of this mug. To change water into solid ice, we have to freeze it. So you're going to take some water and you would put it into the freezer to freeze it. Now, the freezer cools it to anything below 0 degrees. So as long as it's colder than that, then it will start to become solid ice like this. However, as soon as you take it out the freezer, it will start to melt and it can change back into liquid again. So as long as I have it out here just now, you can see that even on my hands, right now I'm warming it up and I have some liquid on my hands because it's starting to melt. So we can freeze it and melt it to change the liquid water into a solid and back to a liquid again. If I wanted to change liquid water into a gas, like this steam here that's coming off this warm cup, then it would be a process called evaporation that would happen. Evaporation happens all around us without us even realising. If you ever see a puddle on a warm day that has some steam coming off of it, that's evaporation. Evaporation happens on the surface of the liquid, and because it doesn't have to happen at a hot temperature, it's happening all the time. If I left this glass of water out here, it would soon evaporate. It would take a long time, but it would start to evaporate. We see it more on hot sunny days because obviously it's heating it up and making the steam rise off of it quicker. Evaporation is different to boiling, however, because boiling puts little bubbles into the water first before making steam. If I wanted to make the gas back into a liquid, then that would be a process called condensation. Now condensation you can see on your windows. If it's a really cold day and you're warm inside, then you'll see the water droplets coming down the windows. This is when the water vapour hits the cold window and instantly turns back into a liquid. So when this hot steam or water vapour hits anything cold like glass or mirror, it turns the water vapour instantly into water droplets, so therefore back to a liquid. So that was a really quick run through of how water changes into solids and gases and then back into liquid. If you have any questions, then please get in touch, and if not, I will see you very soon. Bye!